There's no pyar, there's only unfiltered.
When I'm with you.
आई थिंक हर रियलिटी शो का इतना डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस रहता है बट वन थिंग दैट इज कॉन्स्टेंट इज द एंजाइटी
Reality show is about Kalesh. Who Dolly Javed was before all of this?
कोई मुझसे मजाक नहीं कर सकता आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन योर घटिया घटिया जोक्स आई वॉज ग्रोइंग अप इन सच एन अनस्टेबल एनवायरमेंट
Hi, bye, bye.
बाय बाय एंड ऑल्सो लाइक अ लाइन हैज टू बी मेंटेन
Who the alliance people told you for the pair ups, or you guys made it on your own?
I get to know this from Urfi. Urfi tells me that they are thinking about you for alliance,
Okay.
and I'm like, okay, but किसके साथ जाऊँगी?
He lives in my building only. So you have been there like a
I've
lot
been
of
there
times.
like a dozen times. Yeah. I was really bruised. My ego was really bruised. Now I'm pretty chill, but I stand by everything that I said.
But I want to know about your love life. Like, what is happening? Like, are you?
I just broke up a few months ago.
Hello, welcome to Pyar Unfiltered. Wait, there's no pyar, there's only unfiltered. Some people entered alliance to win the show. Some people entered the alliance to just survive. And some walked out becoming the talk of the town. Welcome, Dolly. How are you doing?
Thank you so much. I'm doing fine now.
I hope you had a great experience in the alliance. I think it was your second show, third show.
Yeah.
And how was it? Like, what was it about? Like, experience?
It was a nice. I think हर reality show का इतना different experience रहता है, but one thing that is constant is the anxiety of just like
I
living
swear.
with new people. Yeah. And you know कि कलेश होगा. You just know it because this is what reality shows are about.
Reality shows
And you
about
know-
Kalesh. So Dolly, people know you as a person who's very outspoken. Like, but I want to know. I want people to know about you. Who Dolly Javed was before all of this? Before people knew her.
Honestly, like even in school, I was outspoken, but also I was a mix of both, like introvert and extrovert. मुझे जहाँ पे बोलना होता था मैं झगड़ा कर लेती थी और फिर मैं अपना शांत बैठ जाती थी. I don't give a fuck. But it was mostly like कि अगर कोई मुझे poke कर रहा है, then I used to go all out. And I had this shield कि कोई मुझसे मजाक नहीं कर सकता. I am not interested in your घटिया घटिया jokes. I am not interested in you, you know, like making fun of me. Even my friends knew that, so they didn't used to, because I feel like in school mein to people can be really like,
course,
you know,
bullies
bullies
sometimes.
and you know, बस वो वे ऐसे बात करने में भी मजाक उड़ाने में, you know, like sly मजाक. So I used to always have my shield up कि no, you cannot joke with me. And वरना तो मैं स्कूल में शांत रहती थी. टीचर से तो मेरा कोई मतलब नहीं था. I used to hate them, they used to hate me for no reason at all because I was the lip balm girl. I was very
Lip
famous.
balm girl.
Yeah, I was the क्योंकि मैं lip balm लाती थी और मैं lip balm लगाती थी तो टीचर्स को लगता था कि मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश हूँ.
With a lip balm.
Yeah. बाकी तो just the same way I would say कि कोई अगर poke कर रहा है then I used to give them like a very bad reply.
But you know, always when you you are saying that you put a shield
Yeah.
out there. So there's always a reason you put a shield.
Yeah.
Like there's always a situation. Like मैं हमेशा से ऐसी नहीं थी जितना मैं अभी confident हूँ, जितना मैं अभी outspoken हूँ. मैं शायद पहले नहीं थी during my college times or some. So there's always some situation which change you from a person to a different person. Did that happen to you? Some situation changed you?
Yeah, of course. I feel like even like I was growing up in such an unstable environment.
Right.
So I knew that if I don't have my shield up, people can make fun of me for that, and I don't want that.
Do you want to like share like what was your experience?
So just in terms of like you know the whole you know dad coming, going, leaving, the whole then he going and then everything you know. So with the whole dad situation, I knew that kids can be a little mean. Also, I feel like somehow I became that way as well because of that situation.
Right.
Yeah. So it all just happened that way. Like I'm also confused at this point. Ki, did I become that way because of that situation, or did I have to do it? I feel like it's a mix of both. You know.
always get impacted with
Yeah,
something.
yeah, you always get impacted. So I feel like it just happened to me. Ki, you know, nobody can just cross that line with me now. So I need to be upfront. I need to be, you know, like strong.
You need to stand up for yourself, and
yeah,
that is
I
very
need
important.
to. Yeah, I feel like एक वो अंदर से unconsciously ही आ गया कि I need to stand up for myself, and I'm not going to take a
And I
joke.
think that is a good thing. Like people
Yeah.
usually find it very rude कि यार ये तो ऐसे बोल देती है वैसे बोल देती है, but I feel that people have not been in your shoes. They
Exactly.
don't know what you have been through,
Yeah.
and that's why they have so many things to say. But you know yourself better.
Yeah, and
always.
and my whole point is that I can take a joke, but not at the expense of just you belittling me. Like there are so many jokes that you can make,
Right.
but not they shouldn't be
Not disrespectful.
disrespectful. I feel like in today's world, people cross that a lot.
A
Yeah.
lot of times, a lot
A
of
lot
times.
of
This
times.
generation, coming generation, I feel that generation भी नहीं बोलूँगी, बहुत से
भाई मैं
लोग ही
generation
हैं,
भी नहीं
generation भी
बोलूंगी,
नहीं बोल रही.
लोग ही हैं जो मतलब they really cross it. I've met them for the first time and they have made such jokes and I'm just like, bro, I don't even fucking know you. So now, especially when I meet new people in this industry as well, I'm just like,
Hi, bye, bye.
bye bye. And also like a line has to be maintained now.
True that. Okay, so when Alliance called, like what was your first reaction? Like you wanted to do it, or you were just thinking about it, or you were like, hey, no, you're not sure about it.
So first Alliance call, like before the show aired, like 2 months ago, I was supposed to do it with Urfi.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
wow.
yeah, so we both were supposed to do it together, and we also went for like the meeting and everything, and they explain us like what is going to happen and कैसा show है और tasks होंगे, personality ये वो. But she also had one more show that she was about to do, but that did not happen. And then she said no for Alliance as well. And even before saying no for Alliance, she checked up on me many times. Are you okay with this? Because I know that you also had to do this show. So I'm like, just chill. Like I am not gonna hold
Yeah,
you
because
back.
even I heard that Urfi is going for Alliance.
She
But,
was. We
yeah.
both were about to do it together, and I'm like, and then she was like, she was like, यार मुझे ये वाला ज़्यादा पसंद है, and I think this is going to be better for me. And I said, of course, you should do
Was
you.
that lockup? Because something similar happened to someone I know also.
Yeah.
Like he was almost finalized and then last minute बहुत changes हुए.
So Urfika, I know that she wanted to do lockup.
Yeah.
This is what happened. Now I don't know उसके आगे क्या हुआ, but yeah, she wanted to do lockup. And Alliance was a no-no. कि नहीं Alliance नहीं. It's
It was
not
a
gonna
new
be good for
concept
me.
also, you-
Yeah, it was a new concept. She thought that it'll be fun and everything, but I think then she went the other way. But then it was not supposed to happen. It was not supposed to happen at all. And I was so all done कि अब तो alliance हो नहीं रहा है. And even when I used to meet my friends, they used to be like, okay, but तुम किसी और के साथ चली जाओ ना alliance में. And I'm like, bro, तुम्हें क्या लगता है किसी को भी हिलाने देंगे?
किसी को भी तो
मैं
नहीं
ऐसे
होता है.
बंदर को ले आऊँ क्या सर्कस से कि भाई आ जाओ चलो कोई चाहिए मुझे.
But
I said,
eventually it
नहीं.
was one judge.
Yeah, eventually, and I got a call like 1 week before.
They only told you, the Alliance people told you for the pair ups, or you guys made it on your own?
So it had to be people that we know. It cannot
Okay.
be just like random people. So
They gave you the
obviously-
list or something.
List भी नहीं. They asked me कि मेरा I don't know about like I don't think like मैं 2 हफ्ते तक थी मैंने इतना किसी से in depth पूछा ही नहीं मुझे लगता है. But this is interesting. I should have asked them.
Yeah, I
Did
mean,
they
like,
give
how
you a
did they
list?
pair up, like-
How did they? क्योंकि मेरा तो ये हुआ कि अब कोई नहीं है क्या करे. And this is like the show has been cancelled for me. I am not going. उसका promo वगैरह आ गया है. 4 days prior, I get a call and I'm like, okay, do you want to do? And I get to know this from Urfi. Urfi tells me that they are thinking about you for Alliance.
Okay.
And I'm like, okay, but किसके साथ जाओगी? And then she goes, Vanshaj. And I'm like, oh.
Like, why not? Like,
Yeah, why
you knew
not?
Vanshaj, right?
Yeah, I knew him. So I was like, why not? Definitely. And then I get a call and then they're like, would you like to do Alliance? It's just 4 days before and I'm like, yes, I would love to. And they said that it's with Vanshaj and I'm like, okay, I would love to. I know him and he
Yeah.
knows me, so that would be great.
He lives in my building only. So you have been there like a
I've
lot of
been there
times.
like a dozen times. Yeah.
So, Dolly, जब आप enter कर रहे थे game में, so did you have any strategy or planning before going, or you went with like unplanned?
Nothing. I feel like मेरे हिस्से की भी strategy या planning Vanshaj ने कर ली होगी बिना
He's
मुझे बताए.
always-
He's always. उसका दिमाग हमेशा प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग ही कर रहा है. आई डोंट नो हाउ, बट वी हैड नो स्ट्रैटेजी, वी हैड नो प्लानिंग एट ऑल. मैं तो बताया ना 4 दिन पहले ही, तो उसमें क्या ही स्ट्रैटेजी, क्या ही प्लानिंग. एंड आई एम अ पर्सन हु बिलीव्स कि किसी भी शो में कोई भी प्लानिंग करके जाओ सब ठप जाता है.
नहीं चलता है,
बिकॉज वहाँ पे कुछ और होगा, और तुम्हें नहीं पता लोग कैसे होंगे, वो कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे, और तुम्हें नहीं पता तुम कैसे रिएक्ट करोगे. सो इट्स ऑल यूजलेस फॉर मी, बट ऑफ कोर्स वंशज डजंट बिलीव इन दैट.
Vanshaj, I feel that he is a so basically he is new to this. I feel उसने किया है playground, but when it comes to like तुम जवान हो रहे होते हो, you know, बच्चे से तुम उस फील्ड में आ रहे होते हो. So he's more excited and always, you know,
Yes.
on it कि नहीं ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, which is a good thing I also
Yeah.
feel. लोगों को लगता है sometimes he's rude और उसने ऐसे क्यों बोल दिया, but in reality shows I feel everyone is rude.
Everyone is
Everyone
rude.
is rude and-
But I, you know, like having just have like an unfiltered conversation with him.
Okay.
He is not rude.
No, for people like people.
Yeah, I don't
people
know why.
call
I
him
don't know
rude.
why, because he's funny obviously on camera. He does that for fun, but he's actually not rude. He's very sweet.
And I feel उसको थोड़ा सा अपना funny part और दिखाना चाहिए, because personally I have met him and I feel that उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा potential है. Not to show only the brave ये वाला side, angry side, but he is more funnier. He should show that. Yeah, ठीक है. Okay, so let's come to this part where about Kushal, like when you were leaving and you had a big fight with them. Like, what's your take on this? Like, how do you feel about him and the conversation you had while you were leaving?
How I feel about him now is a very different thing. जो
Or
मैंने
then, during the time?
Yeah, how I felt then and now is very different अब.
Okay.
I feel like then I was so much filled with hate. Oh my god, like 2 weeks I was like, oh my god, how dare he do this? How dare he? I was really bruised. My ego was really bruised. Now it's been 4 weeks. आधे ज़्यादा हो गया अब show तो. Now I'm pretty chill. But I stand by everything that I said up till now. Everything that I've said for him. I do stand by it. But now I'm pretty chill. I really don't care. इस
But do you
point
think
पे.
like he is an arrogant person and he doesn't listen and he is a person जो लड़के थोड़े वो नहीं होते कि बस मैं हूँ, मतलब they don't think of women as कि वो भी कुछ कर सकते हैं या फिर आगे बढ़ सकते हैं और competition दे सकते हैं to a man according to the way he is.
See, I do agree to that. I've said that in the show as well. I've said that in all of my interviews. But again, I feel like इस point पे I'm just so done with Kushal and Kushal. I'm really done with that. I just wish him the best. ठीक है तुम्हारा जो, क्योंकि 1 महीना हो चुका है. Like in my head now it's been a month and I've evolved. मैं तो अपना काम कर रही हूँ, मैं तो पैसे कमा रही
You're
हूँ.
done and dusted with him.
I'm done and dusted with him, but I do agree with everything that you've said, and I believe I stand by everything that I've said in the show.
You still.
But if I see him again, would I be rude or anything? I'd just
Did
be
you
cordial.
see any changes in him like after you?
Yeah, this also. Like I feel like even this whole week, you know, him just going and apologizing to Vanshaj. I feel like that was my whole motive when I got out कि भाई आपको टारगेट करना है करो, पर आप इसीलिए मत टारगेट करो कि जस्ट बिकॉज आपको लगता है कि हम बदतमीज हैं, यू डोंट इवन नो अस पहले से, यू डोंट नो मी, बट आई फील लाइक वो बिकॉज वो चेंज हुआ है पूरा उसका, एंड ही हैज़ just not targeted anybody just because he doesn't like them. So I feel like that has also changed a lot of things कि चलो he's playing कि कौन उसे target कर रहा है उस way में and game play में, not just for the thrills of it.
Right. And you also made this statement where you said that he reminds you of your father. So because of his ego, do you still like amend to it like after looking at
As I
his
said,
personality?
I stand by everything that I said.
Okay.
I'm not the kind of person who would go back on her words. If I've said it, then I mean it.
But was it like really that you felt it that his vibe and energy
Yes.
is like that?
Definitely. It's just the whole vibe, like I've talked about it, the whole aura and the whole things with, how he I would have liked it अगर जब मैं उनसे पहली बार ही बात करने आई थी ना तभी वो वहाँ पे सॉर्ट आउट कर लेते, बट उन्होंने नहीं करा. आई थिंक उनका हमेशा जब
उनका
मैं
I
बात
think
करूँ
थोड़ा सा ego
वॉकआउट
मेरे को ऐसा
करना,
लगता है.
या उनका हमेशा वॉकआउट कर जाना जब मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ, तो मुझे वो नहीं अच्छा लगा.
That's what I feel. That even I feel that I'm watching Alliance and I feel that उनको जो उन कहना होता है या लड़कों से बात करनी तो लड़कों से वो आके थोड़ा सा बढ़ जाते हैं. But when it comes to girls, I know he cannot like physically provoke
not saying
someone,
that, but
he
yeah.
just don't even have like a proper conversation. Even if you're not agreeing to something, just
Yes.
go and accept it.
Yes, and like I feel like that I did not like. I would have appreciated a level wala, you know,
Conversation.
conversation. Even if I'm getting angry, you are getting angry, that is fine with me, bro. But आपका walkout कर जाना, like
That's
why?
disrespectful.
Yeah.
I feel personally अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ निकल जाए तो.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't
So I did not like that.
Okay, so Dolly, we'll talk about your eviction. Do you feel that your journey was ended soon and it was unfair, according to you, or you would have stayed more तो कुछ और नया part of या personality Dolly का देखने को मिलता?
I would say that it was not unfair हर हफ्ते दो लोग को out होना है,
Yeah.
but it was undeserving. Yeah, it was very undeserving. I feel like और बहुत लोग थे उस समय गेम में जो deserve करते थे बाहर जाना.
Right.
Yeah.
According to you.
I've said it. I think it's you know उस समय पे it was वृद्धि.
Okay.
वृद्धि did not deserve it. और कौन था उस समय? A lot of people I feel like.
Do you think Riva was deserving to stay, or she was just
Riva was
staying
not undeserving to stay also. जो भी कर रही थी चलो कुछ तो कर रही थी शो में.
Right.
You know like at the end of the day you're giving something to the show, that is fine. Then I would say Vriddhi, then there is Daisy. I felt like I had more contribution in the game. You know in look से ज़्यादा. So in that way रीवा का चलो कुछ तो contribution था, कहीं ना कहीं वो footage तो दे रही
But do you
थी
think
चाहे
Riva
जैसी
was
भी दे.
like two different personalities when her father was there, sir?
Yes.
And she was very scared
Yeah, I would
of
say.
being alone and how will she handle it. And as soon as her father went,
A different personality.
she was like a very confident and a person
Yes.
who can rule the
Yes.
alliance.
Yeah, yeah.
Like how that like for me it was like कि क्या हो रहा है?
See, I feel like personally for me, I know कि अगर मैं उर्फी के साथ जाती, and this has happened with me a lot of times, कि अगर मैं कहीं भी उर्फी के साथ बैठी हूँ, I'm a very like I don't know, मैं उतना ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पाती हूँ. I was just talking about it with a friend also कि अगर मैं उर्फी के साथ कहीं भी जाती हूँ, like I get a little shy or nervous to speak. Maybe वो बड़ी बहन वाली
course,
चीज़ है,
हाँ.
you know, I cannot open up that much. So I feel like that happened with her as well, and I could see through it. That's why there was more of like a sister bond with her because I could see through the.
But it was not a sister bond with you.
Oops.
Was it?
Oops. But चलो वो 2 हफ्ता मेरे दिमाग में तो था कि हाँ,
Yeah.
and it was also like I could see it through कि हाँ अपने पापा के सामने she's a different person.
Right.
And then उसके बाद when her dad went, it was she opened up a bit more.
Right.
But
How did you feel like when you got to know you came outside and
I was raging with anger. The moment I saw it, I put up a story, and it was her. She put up a picture. She was wearing red, and she had that song "I See Red," and I put up a story. I said, "I see a snake." I was raging with anger at that time, genuinely.
you'll feel bad,
Yeah, of
like,
course I'll feel. It was just
she was
one
not
vote.
playing on the front
yes,
foot.
it was just one vote that
To
got
change
me out.
everything.
Yeah, and I expect. और मैंने जाते जाते तक बोला कि ये तो नहीं करेगी, ये क्यों करेगी? Also because in my head I knew that she hated Vriddhi.
right?
So why would she vote for me? She would vote for a person who you hate. And starting में हम लोग की बात हो गई थी इस बारे में कि we are playing on front foot.
Right.
You know. And I thought that yeah she is. You know she is amazing. जो वो बोलती है वो करती है. Even एक बार क्या हुआ था कि वृद्धि कुछ बोल रही थी यू नो रीवा के अगेंस्ट. तो मैंने रीवा के लिए स्टैंड लिया था. कट में नहीं आ पाया बट मैंने रीवा के लिए स्टैंड लिया था. हम लोग अरीना में था ना. आई वाज लाइक ऐसा नहीं है, रीवा फ्रंट फुट पे खेलती है ये वो ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. दिस इज जस्ट लाइक 1 or 2 days बिफोर माय एग्जिट. सो आई वाज जस्ट वेरी
I feel that Riva मेरे को ऐसा थोड़ा similarities देखी. If you have seen Traitor,
या
so how Elnaz was. You remember Elnaz?
yeah of course.
So she was playing so dumb, till the end, like you know कि नहीं मैं नहीं हो सकती and all. Like she was super smart though.
She was super smart.
And similarly मुझे ऐसा लगा Riva was playing like cute, nice, and then
मैं
she was
मतलब
playing a
बहुत
lot.
कंफ्यूज हूँ रीवा के गेम को लेके मुझे खुद ही नहीं समझ आ रहा was it a smart move was it a bad move because even her claiming at this point that कुशाल ने मुझे बोला तो मैंने डॉली को वोट आउट कर दिया कोई भी मुझे आके बोल दे रीवा को वोट आउट
can
कर दो मैं नहीं
manipulate you
करूँगी
like that?
who can manipulate you so पहले मुझे लगा था ये कि okay she was manipulated but no nobody can manipulate anyone एक गेम
Nobody
शो में
can.
यार कि इसको वोट आउट कर दो
और इतना जल्दी तो नहीं.
मैं बोलती कुशाल को वोट आउट कर दो वो करती नहीं करती इट मीन्स यू ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड मी आउट दैट्स वाई यू डिड इट सो आई फील लाइक जस्ट टू ब्लेम एंटायरली लाइक कुशाल फॉर इट ऑल नॉट गुड यू मेड योर बेड you decided कि इसको
It was a
you didn't
personal
like me
thing, I
then yeah it
feel.
was a personal thing you didn't like me then
So did you speak to her like
No.
after coming out?
Not at
Did
all.
she try to contact?
No, I do know that somebody who just got out told me that Dilbar got out and Dilbar told me
Yeah.
that Dilbar went to her and like आपने ये कैसे करा ये oh I'm so sorry that's my alarm.
This you can take. It's unfiltered.
Why I don't know why I even have like 1 बजे का अलार्म मैं क्यों उठ रही हूँ 1 बजे
नहीं ये डॉली का ही था कि यहाँ पर मैं थोड़ा लेट आऊंगी 1 बजे उठूंगी.
so
Yeah.
Dilbar told me I don't know somebody told me Dilbari थी maybe कि she told me that she will get out Dilbar से कि I will get out and explain Dolly you know everything but no nothing I have gotten no but I don't
after
expect
coming out,
also
people just disperse. They don't care.
yeah but also I don't expect also जब मैंने भी इतनी चीजें बोल दी हैं उसके अगेंस्ट तो क्यों ही
हाँ.
मुझको आके explanation देगी and I don't even want to you know have a talk about anything the finale is going to be short now I'm thinking is कि मैं कैसे face करूँगी सबको like oh my god it's going to be tough
You're gonna do it. You're gonna kill it. It's okay. You have not done anything wrong.
I told everyone that I don't want to go my sisters have bajawed me
No,
that
you
you are
should
fucking
go.
going
You should go and you should like be fearful. Like put your point there.
मुझे तो पता है कोई पॉइंट रखने नहीं इस पॉइंट में मैंने इतना बोल दिया है ना कि मुझे मुंह बंद इस बार मुझे सही में टेप लेके जाना है आई एम सो डन आई डोंट वांट टू फाइट आई फील लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू हैव अ गुड टाइम I don't want an unnecessary
Don't
fight.
fight,
I'm
but
so
just
done
you
with
put
it.
your point out there because you know you have not confronted
वहाँ
this
पे
too
तो पॉइंट
hard.
रखना भी मैं बदतमीज लगती हूँ मैं नॉर्मल टोन में भी पॉइंट रखती हूँ उनको लग रहा था कि भाई ये तो चैंचे कर रही है
No, but people who know you, who Dolly Javed is, they know you talk like that and this is your
Yeah.
personality. They will understand. But you should, if you don't speak, then people like, यार इसने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
Yeah.
You should talk.
I hope so.
In support.
Thank you.
Okay, so there's a multi-universe which is going on, if you know. That the thing.
Oh, you're talking about that multi-universe.
This alliance
पहले
and
तो-
lockup going on.
मेरे को तो मल्टी यूनिवर्स बोल रही है मेरे को लगा हम स्पाइडरमैन भी क्यों आ रहे हैं मानो मैं देखने जा रही हूँ अभी पर
नहीं,
इतना
नहीं,
क्या
यहाँ पर
रुशानी
हमारा
को
सिर्फ रियलिटी शो का मल्टी यूनिवर्स की बात होगी. So basically, लॉकअप में एक इंसिडेंट हुआ है श्रेया रिवील्ड कि कुशाल ने उसको टेक्स्ट किया था जब उनका प्रोमो शूट हो रहा था एंड दैट टाइम कुशाल वाज dating शिवांगी एंड शी सेड कि कुशाल फर्स्ट टेक्स्टेड हर बट अभी अलायंस में जब कशिश ने कुशाल को बताया व्हिच इज अ गुड इग्नाइट तो उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं ही डिड नॉट टेक्स्ट हर शी टेक्स्टेड हिम वो बोले कि मैं इतना ईगोइस्टिक हूँ कि मैं किसी लड़की को मैसेज नहीं कर सकता मैं फिरंग को मैसेज करूंगा भी तो
See, now the problem is, I don't know why he needs to add these things.
Yeah,
तुम
he said, I know.
तुम अच्छे इंसान दिख रहे होते हो कि हाँ अच्छा इंसान है मैं किसी को क्यों टेक्स्ट करूंगा जब मैं रिलेशनशिप में हूँ and then उसके बाद
No,
you
he did
add
not
my
say
feelings
that
को
मैं relationship में हूँ इसलिए he said because I'm an egoistic person I would never text a girl first which is ठीक है fair but अभी while coming here I saw another reel जहाँ पर ऋषभ जो श्रेया के बॉयफ्रेंड है he said कि श्रेया का इंस्टाग्राम मेरे फोन में खुला हुआ है and because I was curious because it was happening in both the reality shows so I checked and it was Kushal who texted her first.
you saw
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
this is such
So-
good tea for me
So this happened and so what do you want to say about it? Like what do you think? Who's
you
saying
see
the
my
truth?
reaction what the fuck you saw
I did not see.
you
It
did
was
not see then what
the Rishabh.
Rishabh saw.
Rishabh saw. Like he has Shreya's message like पूरा Instagram खुला था because she was in lockup and उसमें ये है कि कुशाल ने पहला text किया उसको. अब even I don't know how much it's true, but I know Rishabh, he won't be lying if he has seen it. Otherwise, he wouldn't have spoken
fuck.
about it, like. Yeah.
Of course, I don't think Rishabh would be lying up क्योंकि उसका तो कोई रिलेशन नहीं है इस सबसे, उसको तो बिल एकदम ही दूर है. This is so funny. I love the multiverse that is going on.
Exactly.
As an audience, now though I'm not a contestant. I don't consider myself a contestant of Alliance also. As an audience, I'm loving the multiverse. I love it. I love that even...
Two reality shows are
yeah,
talking
yeah,
about
yeah.
each other.
Yeah, and even like Ritesh sir, while Rebel was exiting, he said, "आपको कौन सा देश की ड्यूटी के लिए जाना है?" आपको देश something I laughed out loud, but I'm loving the multiverse and I'm loving
even,
this tea.
And even this Arslan wife, she came and she said, ki, you know, the other show is not doing well. Alliance is doing amazing. It's like मतलब उन्होंने एक तरह से मेरे words नहीं है, मैं बस बता रही हूँ. एक तरह से एक को cheap बोला और एक तरह से एक को बहुत classy बोला. Like Alliance is more classier than Lockup. What do you want to say about that?
I don't think that यार क्लासी तो मैं तो खुद ही वहाँ पे अंदर क्लासिज्म फेस करके आ रही हूँ, बट आई वुडेंट से इन अ वे कि ओ अलायंस इज सो क्लासी. मतलब जितना ये लोग आपके दिमाग में डाल देते हैं ना, जो अंदर डाल रहे थे वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा, जैसे मुझ जैसे लोगों को ना वो क्लासी वे में नहीं देख रहे थे. सो आई डोंट लाइक दैट. बट सुजैन ने जो बोला चलो वो तो उनकी मर्जी है, बट इन अ वे आई फील लाइक हर कोई अंदर वहाँ पे मुझे भी आके बोल रहा था कि क्लासी शो है यहाँ पे, आप इस डेसिबल से ज़्यादा अपनी वॉइस को लाउड ना करें कृपया करके. एंड आई एम लाइक ब्रो प्लीज़, ओ प्लीज़, अरे क्लासी शो इसका मतलब ये कि मैं अपनी आवाज़ ना उठाऊँ. So that was very irritating.
So do you think कि Alliance में ऐसा हो रहा था कि एक upper class एक लोग they are trying to you know एक सोबो है और एक वो है, so they are trying to like discriminate it a bit through their groups.
यार अजीब बात तो ये थी कि जो लोग बोल रहे थे क्लासी वो खुद ही एट द एंड ऑफ द डे चीप लग रहे हैं. सो दैट वाज
Do you wanna
वेरी
name
वियर्ड.
them?
No names at this point. But it was very weird. कि क्या मतलब क्या क्लासी, it's reality shows are all about human beings
Being
और
real.
being real and being your authentic self. लोगों की you know गंदी साइड होती है, एक अच्छी साइड होती है, लोग गुस्सा करते, चिल्लाते, रोते हैं, धोते हैं, मरते हैं. That is what reality shows are about. इतना क्या है इसमें uptight high बनना? Just please yeah guys, shut
And I
up
think
yeah.
that's why Rebel को भेजा गया in lockup to you know shake
Stir
things
the
up.
pots, yeah. I loved it. I have watched all the episodes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
जब
liking
से
it?
Rebel
Yeah.
आई है तब से I've been religiously watching it. I
Who's
loved
your
it.
favorite player?
Shreya. And,
Go Shreya.
But everybody is hating on me for supporting
No,
Shreya, by the way.
It's not everyone. It's somebody's fan people,
Okay.
fan group. Only particulars. They are only hating people who are supporting Shreya.
Like अब मेरे दिमाग में ये है कि भाई मेरे को सपोर्ट करना है, तुम लोग का क्या जा रहा है? तुम लोग के पैसे थोड़ी ना मांग रही हूँ मैं, तो तुम लोग को क्यों इतना दुख हो रहा है कि मैं श्रेया को, मेरे को करना है, मेरे को जिसको करना है मैं करूँगी. चुप रहो.
बच्चे, kids, they don't understand.
यार shut up यार.
Okay, so एक और online discussion चल रहा है where viewers think or feel that Minnie has a soft corner for Kushal, but she doesn't show it. Like she does things for him, but she shows on camera that she is not inclined towards him.
I don't think so. She had a soft corner for anybody except Nikhil sir.
But Gohar said it like whenever, like even when Kushal was alone.
Even
she
when I
went-
was alone, she came to me. But I feel like as a human being, because she's
Okay.
amazing in that way कि हाँ कोई अगर रो रहा होता है, अभी हम लोग का नहीं होता है कि it's not necessary कि हमारे पास you know soft corner हो उस इंसान के लिए. अब मैं भी यहाँ पे भय भय करके रहूँगी, you'll come and sit मेरे बगल में कि डॉली मत
Even
रो.
I feel, मतलब Minnie
Yeah.
is one of the players which I love in Alliance.
Same.
She is superb, like fierce, she's strong,
Yeah,
she's a good.
she's very cunning also in
Yeah.
the gameplay. She's playing amazing.
Yeah.
So I love that. I don't know if she had a soft corner for anybody except Nikhil sir.
sir.
This is what I feel like. Even like for me, if I was in the show, I wouldn't have a soft corner for anybody except you know my own alliance.
Right.
Because
Of
this
course.
is true. यार अभी मिले हम. But I feel like as a human being, she's good, and जब भी you know she knows. I think she's very empathetic.
Right.
So when somebody is low, she knows कि I have to be there for this person, you know. Even she was there for me when I was crying, and she was there for Kushal when he was crying. So I feel like she's empathetic that way.
Even I feel that. Coming to Nikhil only, so he made a very weird statement abhi coming out.
Yes.
I mean, if you guys know about this, if you don't know about the statement, he said something. So उनको एक इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया था कि गौहर खान ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया था, तो उन्होंने उसका रिप्लाई ये किया कि इसका जवाब आप मिनी से पूछो because she is going through menopause.
She knows more about
She's
menopause
more-
and
हाँ.
perimenopausal.
So what do you think? मतलब I felt as a woman, I felt a little offended. I think that he said this offensive thing about both Minnie and Gauhar.
See, what I find crazy is I saw another interview of him calling Kushal a misogynist. So, I mean, sir, you come in the same category now. You come in the
Yeah.
very same category now. So, what are you saying? Like, pehle to, it doesn't make any sense to me. What are you saying?
It was not
What?
even related to
What
the
are you
question.
saying? It's not even related to the question. Menopause, perimenopausal symptoms, bro, what the fuck? You,
It's
मेरे पास
like-
कोई वर्ड्स ही नहीं कि मैं बोलूँ क्या एक ऐसे आदमी को.
It's like
मैं
if
क्या
somebody is
बोलूँ?
angry, some girl is angry or saying कि
Oh,
हाँ
you're
बस
going through
periods में
periods.
होगी.
हाँ,
हाँ.
periods में होगी. So I just don't know. I feel like next time I meet him and if I have an argument or anything with him, I'll be like, sir, मैं आपसे कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहती कि आप तो यही बोलोगे कि मैं अपने periods पे हूँ. और अगर मैं periods पे हो गई उस दिन, फिर तो आप बोलोगे देखा मैंने तो बोला था ये periods पे है, तभी गुस्सा निकाल रही है. So I have no words for such men. Very weird.
So abhi recently Kamya Punjabi, she entered the show and
Yeah.
she was in support of Kushal
Yeah.
and she said ki it is becoming a Kushal show
Yeah.
and it's like all contestant versus Kushal. Do you agree with that or Kushal is doing it like it's a strategy of him to कि जो भी शो में जाते हैं जहाँ पर भी आप टारगेट हो जाते हो या फिर अपने आप को टारगेट करवाते हो
Yeah.
तो your chances to be in the finale or to win the show rises.
See, I do agree that from the beginning it has been a Kushal show, but until Ali came,
Okay.
yeah, उसके बाद से it's not.
He ruined his.
He ruined
game.
his game very. What Kushal was doing, same now Ali Bhai is doing, but it's just that Kushal is not able to do now because nobody's following him. Everybody's following Ali Bhai now. That is
But do
it.
you think Ali के आने की वजह से अरसलान का भी गेम खराब हो गया? थोड़ा बहुत.
अरसलान का गेम मुझे समझ नहीं लोग बोल रहे कि अरसलान का गेम खराब हो गया है.
Like,
But
he
in what
got
way?
shadowed, like, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं भी देख रही हूँ क्योंकि अब ज्यादा ध्यान एक हमेशा होता है ना कि पर्सनालिटीज खड़ी हैं तो किस पे ज्यादा ध्यान जाएगा लाइक इट वाज पहले कुशाल एंड अरसलान I really am like he's a good player like I
Yeah,
love him in
nice,
the show
yeah.
he's very fair also sometimes but Ali के आने के बाद it's more like कि जो बड़े भैया कहेंगे वो मैं करूँगा do you feel that way
I feel like कि that is true to some extent, but at the end of the day, it's also like Ali Bhai is also better with the politics and stuff.
true
So that's why also Arslan has been able to survive this long.
so मतलब he is following his
Yes, of course. The thing with this thing is, I feel like brother sister, brother equation, or daughter and
Father,
father
yeah.
equations. You will always follow the elder one, or the
True.
one who is like, even if अगर मैं game में होती I would have followed my sister blindly कि भाई ये
Right.
जो कर रही है ठीक कर रही है. So this is what happens. But I feel like in a way it has been so good for him. Because this upcoming week also you'll see whatever Ali planned.
Yeah.
It was amazing for him. Even though he's the scorpion, he had to survive. He survived because of Ali's plan.
Right.
And you need to have that kind of a person. और अगर वो अपने भाई की नहीं सुन रहे थे तो वो कुशाल की सुन रहे थे मुझे लगता है.
हाँ
Which was bad. कुशाल की सुन भी क्या रहे थे उन्होंने मुझे पहले ही
I think
डिसीजन
उसको
लिया
नहीं
था.
रहता. I think he was more aware of what he was doing.
He was मतलब मुझे लगता है कि he was very well aware of what he was doing, but तब भी वो उनका साथ दे रहे थे गलत में. Like
Okay.
him, just all the
Wrong things you're
wrong
supporting.
things were being supported in that way. But until it came to his own brother and Kushal started,
Right.
like just going against him and talking shit about, to him.
Right.
he realized कि यार ये बंदा तो सही नहीं है, इसका तो हर ही किसी के साथ behavior ऐसा है, and I'm not going to tolerate it.
So Dolly, ये तो हो गया आपकी reality show की बात, but I want to know about your love life. Like, what is happening? Like, are you are you seeing someone or?
Just fucked. I would say कि I just broke up a few months ago. I was in a
Okay.
very long-term relationship. It had been like 5 years, but I just broke up April end. So very much single.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, नहीं, it's all chill. It's all जितना रोना धोना था रो लिया है, हो गया अब.
Done.
But that's
Move
part
on,
is
girl.
done.
Life is
Yeah, it's
short.
chill. It was a long term. So basically, we knew each other since 8th class.
Okay.
So it had been going on for that long. Yeah.
8th class. Yeah.
So yeah, we met each other first in 5th class, and
Okay.
then 8th again we were together. Then but हमने date करना start करा 12th के बाद.
School sweethearts that
Yeah,
we see,
school
right?
sweethearts. Yeah, but बीच में भी बहुत भसड़ हुई थी. So I was, huh. So he was 11th या 12th में he was dating somebody else.
Okay.
Okay, and the girl that he was dating, मैं उसके ex को date कर रही थी.
Okay.
Do you understand this?
Okay.
swap?
Yeah.
So that
Like-
was very awkward. So that girl जो जिसको वो date करता, वो पहले उस लड़के को date कर रही थी, and उन लोग का खत्म हो गया. So
Okay.
I found that guy cute and I texted him.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we started dating. And then युवराज और इस लड़की का चलने लगा.
Okay.
So it was a big thing in the school. It was like a big mess. Big
So like,
mess.
why? Like, what? If you don't mind, like, what happened? Like,
With that guy.
yeah.
Oh, he was a chooth. That happened. He sucked. That happened.
I mean, a lot of people nowadays suck. Experiencing maybe, but yeah, sometimes people do.
He was so basically he was so weird. He was I feel like he was just with me because of fame. You know, the
Yeah.
only fights that I've had with him, this entire relationship that I was with him was, oh my god, तुमने मेरे लिए story कैसे नहीं डाली? What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? So what if I'm not posting a story? Every reel you are posting, you want me to post a story for you. क्यों? मैंने तुम्हारा ठेका
Why?
लेके रखा है क्या? He was so weird. So my family jokes about it and they were like कि वो तुम्हारे साथ relationship में क्यों था? वो तो बस उर्फी के लिए था ऐसा लग रहा है इस point पे.
हाँ, मतलब,
Like-
you know, when you are like, I won't say like, when you are famous, you have like some fame. You don't know who your real friends are, who
Oh,
your
yeah.
real. If you are in a relationship, they really love you for who you are. It's a
Yeah,
very
yeah.
confusing
It's
state
so
which happens,
confusing.
and that's why
Yeah.
जो celebrities होते हैं या जो famous होते हैं उनके relationships टिकते नहीं हैं because you are
Yes.
not aware.
Yeah, and
Okay.
especially to be like famous. Like I'm from Lucknow, you know, and then to make friends also is very tough. I feel to friends and even in relationships, you don't know who is with you for what.
But Lucknow people are very sweet. I feel. Like with heart. You're sweet.
She's met the right people. मैं ही हूँ जिसको सारे गंदे लोग मिले हैं फिर लखनऊ में बचपन से.
Okay. Maybe. थोड़े से होते हैं वो दादा वाले ऐसे थोड़े गुंडे टाइप्स.
Yeah, मेरा उन्हीं से
But
encounter
वैसे
हुआ मुझे
sweet
लगता
है.
है.
Like how kebab.
Sweet. Oh. She's comparing
Very sarcastic.
people with kebab. Yeah, the kebabs are nice.
Kebabs are
People
nice.
are not.
But anyway, so yeah, like up to like you have just like you're trying to move on, so I cannot say like what you're looking for in the
Nothing. I'm looking for nothing. I'm looking for money that I will earn myself.
next. Good way of.
Coping.
Okay, so Dolly, let's go to a rapid fire round because we had enough conversations about
Yes.
everything.
Yes.
I mean, now you know Dolly way more better, and I personally love her because she is
Thank you.
not a person who would hide things or would not want to talk about it.
Yeah,
And-
I'm ready to talk about everything.
And she's very sweet. I don't know why people.
I
say
don't
that,
know
but
why.
She's
I
fierce
don't know
and
why.
I love fierce women.
Thank you
Like,
so
why not?
much. Thank you.
Okay, so your rapid fire. You have to just like quickly say it. Okay?
Done.
Who lies better in alliance? All the alliance questions.
Who lies
better?
So what do I have to say? You take a name
You just
and...
take a name. कौन सबसे ज़्यादा झूठ बोलता है अच्छे से?
अच्छा, okay, so that
Yeah.
is the question.
Yeah.
Who lies better in
Who
life?
lies better?
हाँ, कुशाल.
Who argues better?
Me.
Who gets angry faster?
Who gets angry faster? मैं confused हूँ मेरे और कुशाल के बीच में ही.
So it's both.
Yeah.
Okay. Who would survive longest without cameras?
Who would survive longest without cameras?
Like on camera they are a little shy, so they don't put their real image out.
Oh, okay, okay. Who would survive longest? मैं सोच रही हूँ सबकी personalities मैं scan कर
Yeah.
रही हूँ. Who would survive longest without cameras? यार सबकी personality बाहर आई गई है उस show पे. कोई ऐसा नहीं जिसने अपनी personality छुपाई है.
So you no one. You take one name, any name.
कि किसकी personality बाहर नहीं आई है.
मतलब हाँ मतलब वो डिफरेंट है इन पर्सन डिफरेंट है ज़्यादा मज़ेदार होगा या
Okay.
ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना नेगेटिव में क्यों पॉजिटिव में सोचते हैं लाइक दैट पर्सन वुड हैव बीन मोर फन लाइक आई फील अरमान वुड हैव बीन मोर लाइक डू यू
ऑफ
फील
कैमरा ऑफ अरमान तो तब मतलब वो क्योंकि सभी लोग कैमरा भले एक पॉइंट पे हम भूल गए तो हम लोग हंसी मजाक कर रहे थे वो लोग ने डाला नहीं वो अलग बात है
Okay.
सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दैट
ओके सो इसका आंसर है कोई नहीं
या
ओके हु वाज द फनीएस्ट कॉन्टेस्ट
रूही
ओके हु टुक द गेम टू पर्सनली
मी एंड वंशज
हु सरप्राइज्ड यू आफ्टर द शो
who surprised me after the show my sisters and my friends
नो एज इन लाइक व्हिच यू डिड नॉट
Oh.
एक्सपेक्ट
I was like who surprised Riva
Riva. Who changed the most from day one?
who
Changed as a person or
Kushal.
personality in
Kushal.
from day
Yeah.
one.
yeah
Okay, complete the sentence. The biggest actor in Alliance is
the biggest actor अब जो eliminate हो गए उनका भी नाम ले
हाँ,
लूँगी अब मैं.
anyone.
हाँ the biggest actor in alliance is Vriddhi
Riddhi. The biggest manipulator is
Kushal and Vanshaj
okay. Do you feel it could be Arslan or Mini also?
yeah manipulate you know what up that I think about it yes even Nikhil sir I would say
Yeah,
Take all of
Nikhil.
these,
I
yeah.
feel that he was somewhere like बोलते ना कि गेम चला रहा था of Mini. Somewhere he was
Yeah,
directing
yeah,
Mini a
yeah.
lot of things. Like Mini is a strong player individually also, but
yeah but the truth is truth you know we love her as a
Yeah.
contestant but yeah she has been a little manipulated
the smartest political player is
smartest political Ali bhai
the fakest friendship was
ooh with Vriddhi and Riva
okay. The real mastermind was
the real mastermind oh god such an amazing question the real mastermind I think I wouldn't call Kushal the mastermind at all
He's
मुझे तो
not.
कोई mastermind मुझे लगता है कि everyone is thinking that they are the mastermind but they are the master without mind everybody is making such rookie mistakes because if
Yeah.
Kushal was the mastermind तो कोई उस पर turn नहीं करता सब turn कर गए फिर उनका भी हो गया but अभी इस point पे game पे अली है he's playing everyone really good
the contestant with the best edit was
edit मतलब
as in like they try to change or edit their conversations or you know if I'm saying something and then they say something else
I'm saying something Nikhil sir
the contestant who deserved to win
who deserves to win मैं सोचती हूँ मैं किसका नाम लूँ इसमें मैं खुद ही मेरे तो नाम भी चेंज होते रहते हैं पहले तो अली भाई
Yeah.
एंड देन उसके बाद there's मिनी मैम
I feel Mini should win
या
Yeah.
as a girl मतलब मुझे लगता है कि it's उर्फी is going to kill me हेलो हाँ मैं बस आ रही 5 मिनट दूर हूँ
hi Urfi
किससे क्यों
okay so the contestant you would never play with again
वंशज
never play
नेवर
what
नहीं
why
नहीं भाई उसका कर्स लग गया है मुझे मैं बोल चुकी हूँ उसका कर्स लग गया है अब मैं नहीं खेल सकती
क्योंकि वो
आपके
दो
साथ।
शो में फर्स्ट में ही आउट हो गया था and then again he was
उसको
called
री एंट्री मिल जाती है ना
the contestant who benefited most from controversy like
Me
through
and
Alliance.
Vanshaj.
You and Vanshaj. Okay, so now we have another segment which says confess. So it's gonna be I'll give you some names and you have to either confess anything, reveal something about them which viewer
Okay.
don't know, or
Okay.
compliment, say one genuine positive.
either have to confess something that viewers don't
हाँ,
know or
confess,
compliment
compliment, confront,
ठीक है
anything you can do about that. But I will
ठीक है.
tell you कि क्या इसको confess करना है, compliment करना
ठीक
है या
है.
confront करना है.
please
or if you want to do it. So, Ruhi,
रूही कन्फेस करूँ कि क्या करूँ आप बताओ.
anything. If you know something about her and which people don't know, you can confess or you can compliment. But I would suggest अच्छे लोगों के बारे में confess करो.
कन्फेस मतलब कोई सच बताना उनका.
हाँ, reveal something which people don't know. Like anything, it can be a habit, it can be a thing which they told you, or something which you feel that people should know.
यार रूही से मेरी सिर्फ हंसी मजाक ही हुई है, कोई उससे हार्ट टू हार्ट पता है कभी बात हुई नहीं है रूही
तो
से. सिर्फ हम
compliment,
लोग
like,
हंसी
if you want to
मजाक.
compliment.
रूही इज आई थिंक शी इज़ वेरी फन, शी इज़ वेरी नाइस. ऑल्सो रूही ना किसी से भी बातें कर लेती है. रूही की बेस्ट बात ये है, शी कैन इवन टॉक टू मी एंड देन शी कैन टॉक लाइक हैव अ वेरी गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन विद सोहेल भाई. सो आई फील लाइक दैट इज अ वेरी क्रेजी
a
थिंग. Yeah.
people person, like.
Yeah. But that's also one thing that I hate about her.
Okay.
Yeah, that is also a confession because I feel like game में ना you cannot be nice
friend
to
to everyone is a friend to none.
all is a friend to none.
Yeah. Okay, Arslan.
अरसलान के बारे में कन्फेस ये करूँगी कि एक बार जब हम एक टास्क जीते थे तो वो मुझसे आके बोलते हैं कि मुझे कुशाल को थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए. एंड आई एम लाइक
You should.
इट वाज आई थिंक दैट हाई स्टोरी थी
Yeah.
एंड देन वी वन बिकॉज कुशाल ने पहले बोला था कि हमें टारगेट करेगा. किंग से बोला कि हंटर्स को टारगेट करो बट किंग्स ने मना कर दिया, हम हंटर्स को नहीं करेंगे. तो वो गुस्सा हो गया तो उसने झुल में आके किंग्स को टारगेट कर लिया. अब अरसलान जी मेरे पास आते हैं, ठीक है, मैं टेबल पे खाना खा रही होती हूँ, मुझे बोलते हैं डिड यू थैंक कुशाल फॉर योर विन. एंड आई एम लाइक एक्सक्यूज मी मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं बट ओ माय गॉड जो अंदर झुल आई थी कि मैं कुशाल टंडन को थैंक यू बोलूंगी अपनी इवेंट के लिए. भाई मेरा पॉइंट है कि मेहनत मैंने करी है, ठीक है, मैं छिपकली बनी, मैं रेंग के जा रही हूँ, मैं रेंग के ला रही हूँ, तो मैं किसी और को क्यों थैंक यू बोलूं. सो आई गॉट वेरी पिस्ड एट हिम दैट डे.
Okay, Payal.
पायल के बारे में मैं क्या करूँ. कन्फेस करने को तो उतना कुछ है नहीं, कुछ इतना खास. कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो यही है कि शी इज़ वेरी स्वीट एंड आई लव द वे दैट ही इसका फर्स्ट रियलिटी शो था बट स्टिल
Yeah, she
उसमें वो
did
पार्ट थी कि शी वाज स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर हर सेल्फ विच इज़ वेरी टफ. नॉट
True.
एवरीबडी कैन डू दैट. इवन इन लाइक माई फर्स्ट रियलिटी शो आई वॉज वेरी दबी हुई. आई डेंट नो कि
Exactly.
बोलना सही है कि नहीं है बट उसने वो नहीं सोचा, उसने अपना बोला.
was
सो आई लव
brave.
दैट. शी वाज वेरी ब्रेव.
Kushal.
कुशाल के बारे में मैं ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना चाहूँगी दैट ही इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड एंड वी आर गोना हैंग आउट टुगेदर आफ्टर द शो एंड्स. एंड दिस वाज ऑल फेक. हमारी सारी कंट्रोवर्सी वे इन फैक्ट वी आर बेस्टीज. Yeah, this is a
I
confession.
hope you become besties with Kushal.
This is a
I pray, I wish.
This is a confession and a compliment. You see what I
Okay.
did there?
Okay, Mini.
मिनी मैम के बारे में मैं सिर्फ ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि मुझे नहीं पसंद आया जब उन्होंने ये बोला था कि आई एम यूजिंग हिज बुलिंग टैक्टिक्स एज एन एडवांटेज फॉर मी. एंड देन उसके बाद मेरे सामने आके बोलना कि कुशाल अच्छा कर रहा है या फिर दिल का अच्छा है ये वो.
That's what I was saying you that she has a soft corner for Kushal in the starting.
Yeah, but even when I was crying, she was there for me as well. So I'm a little confused about the personality. I didn't like the fact that जब वो bullying वाली बात आई,
Yeah.
she denied me कि कोई bullying नहीं हो रही है. But then उसके बाद she said कि वो हम तो इसको अपने फायदे में use कर रहे हैं ना. See, there is a difference between gameplay and there is a difference between when somebody is stooping low. So maybe
True.
I didn't like that about her.
Okay, so I think that's where the show ends, and I want you to give a message to all the viewers, which you want to say by your heart.
By heart तो मैं यही बोलूँगी कि मेरा तो हो गया यार अलायंस से. मेरा तो बहुत गंदा हो गया है. मैं डन हूँ अलायंस से. And but thank you so much for supporting me and loving me inside the house. And thank you so much for hating the people that I hated. If you know what I mean. That's
Which
it.
reality show we are seeing you next in?
See, this is what I'm manifesting next year. Lockup. I'm manifesting
Okay.
this. Yeah, that I really want
We
to do
will
lockup.
manifest it for you.
Yeah, so I really want to do lockup and then come back here and then bitch about some new people.
But thank you so much, Dolly
Thank you
Javed.
so much.
आपने time निकाला, you came
you.
here. It means a lot, and thank you so much for the viewers. Just like, subscribe, and comment, and love you all. Only unfiltered, no love.